Welcome to Sports Podcast. I am your host, Lindsay Gonzalez.
And I am Goldie Gail Hataas.
And today we're going to delve deeper into the world of table tennis.
Let's welcome our guests, Miriam Catalan, Angel May Lagat, and Julito Bacolye.
So before we start everything, let's ask our guests muna how they feel. So kamusta naman kayo?
Kinakabahan kasi nandito. Harapan.
So we have some sorts of questions here for our dear guest, and our guest is going to answer different questions. It is about benefits lang and values and anong nakuha nila kapag nakuha nila if ever naglalaro sila ng tennis. And we have here one player of table tennis, Mr. Jolito. And Goldie, can you give them the questions?
For you, Ms. Catalan, I would like to ask some sort of question, which is, give me the value of table tennis.
So, daghan mo values ang table tennis. I have two lang, discipline and teamwork.
It's a very, very big part talaga ang discipline when it comes to playing table tennis. Siguro if before, siguro hindi pa siya masyadong big deal pag wala kang discipline kasi since it is indoor game na lang. But now it is Olympics. It's part of Olympics, right?
Here's your question, Ms. Angel May Lagat. So, give me the benefits of the table tennis.
Talking about benefits, daghan din siya benefits related to table tennis. No, but magmatanong ko ha, which is, maka-improve siya og hand-eye coordination and listening. Siya po siya ka-social sport. Interest na sa lain ikaw, maka-improve sa yung social skills.
That's what makes it nice when it comes to table tennis kasi nakikipag-socialize ka. Kasi prefer ninyo na kanandulan, is it double or singles?
For me, it depends on kung asa gid mo mas malingaw. Kay katong sa, ang akong experience is, daghan ni, though, dili siya yung formal way kay lagi it's a friendship game. Since first time na ako to nagdula, naglisod jud ko kay lagi wala ko yung knowledge about sa table tennis. Then pag after adto nag-observe ko, then dito na din nagsugod nga makaigo na ko. Dili siya tanan pero nanay improvement.
Nag-enjoy na ba mo for our today's podcast?
Yes, nabununtan mi og puno.
Alright, so guys, thank you for listening on Sports Podcast.